Hello. If you're watching this, that means you're watching a replay. I have my gold mask on. Sundays are always my self-care time. So um, I usually do my exfoliator, and I learned that whenever you do the gold mask along with the exfoliator, it's even more effective. So I always try to combine one of my mask, either the detox or the gold mask on Sundays. And today I wanted to hop on and share about the what is it like the upcoming series that's coming on next week. So let me wait until few of you are hopping on. If you're hopping on, say hi. And what are you guys doing for Sunday? For us, tomorrow is a holiday. We have a teacher work day tomorrow, so it's a holiday. So for us, it's a long weekend, so we are enjoying it. And the weather was really beautiful this week. It is so pleasant, and it's still fall, even though it's a little bit colder for this time of the year to Charlotte. We still like it. If you're hopping on, say hi. That would be nice. And I have few things to cover for the day, and I know many of you are new here, so I thought I will explain it on how it's going to work, and that way you guys will be ready for the week when it comes. And the first thing was the makeup group I was posting about. It's happening from September 30th to 4th. So if you want to get added to that FB group, please do ping me. It is going to be in a separate group where you will have tons of makeup videos and ideas about contouring, blush, and color correction, foundation, anything about Senegen's makeup. So if you wanted to be added there, you can ping me so that I will have that list ready. I think mostly I'll be you will get added by 29th before night. That way when 30th or 1st it starts, you will have be in the group approved already. So as I mentioned, you don't have to be be there for the live or anything. It is just you can watch it anytime and learn about it. Whether you have the samples with you or whether you have already used it, it doesn't matter. You can still have it. So that way you can understand about what makes these Senegen's makeup different from others, and also be able to enjoy it more. I know I always talk about it and do videos, but when you hear from somebody else, you will have more ideas too. So that is happening. That's the first announcement. So the makeup group is from 30th to 4th. So it is not here in this group. So please do make sure you ping me if you wanted to be added. So that's the first one. Second one is I posted about a poll on what you guys want videos on, and the top one was about 5-minute getting ready videos. So I have recorded a series of videos where you have all I think it's less than 4 or 5 products maximum to get ready, and they all are so simple. They are not going to be a full on get ready. It is a very simple 5 minutes when you need to be out in the door but still want to look good and have a all day wear makeup. Then that is the series you will be looking forward to. So I have recorded for the whole week. So I also included a sale along with it. So if you're buying as a whole package, for example, if you like one of the videos I did and you want to get the complete set of that, then you will get 10% of that whole bundle. Or if you're picking individually, then you can avail 5% off. So that is how I done. But I wanted you to give the freedom to choose too. For example, if I have used eyeliner, you can pick based on your convenience whether you want a liquid or a pencil. So those are something you can customize it. But if it is a whole bundle where you can put together a whole an outlook, then obviously you will be able to get 10% of your entire order. And not only that, you can pretty much add anything apart from that to get the 10% off. Like if you're adding skincare, you can add the gold mask, you can add exfoliators, anything pretty much. Once you have the complete set, and if you are adding products to that, then obviously you will be getting what is it, like 10% off of your order. And what else, that is one thing I wanted to say. So I have tried doing different ones, like I don't see any comments. I don't know whether anybody is commenting on or not, but I don't see it anything from my end. So I'm just making sure. If you're hopping on, say hi. And I know Sundays everybody will be relaxing, and I know making calls to friends and family. So but I wanted to convey this because once it starts that way, you can understand it more. At the same way, if I have used CCTM and you want to switch it to foundation, or if I have used foundation and you want to use CCTM, for people who want heavy cover, a little more coverage, they can use foundation. For people who like very light coverage, then they can go with the CCTM. So you can do that modification too. And also the same way with the Lipsons and gloss. For example, if I have showed a gloss, you can switch it to Lipsons. Or if I have showed a lip balm, you can change it to a lip gloss, anything. So basically it should have a complete package for you to getting ready. So that is the case. So if you are doing that, then you will get 10% off your entire order, including anything you add to that. Like, I mean, you can add your refills, you can use your anything extra. So you'll have 5 different looks for the whole week. So for us, Monday is a holiday, but still I thought I will do it as 5 days. Hi Shweta, good morning. Yes, Shweta, that's what, like I was telling, like the day I do resurfacer, I always do, now that I don't have polishing exfoliator with me, I do resurfacer twice, one on Wednesday and one on Sunday. So the day I do the resurfacer, that way I don't have anything, any buildup. Then if I use the gold mask, that is even more powerful. So I try to use at least one mask on the weekend. So that is the one. So this whole week you will see 5 minutes get ready videos, and I have also list down products I have used for each day, and I have made it so simple. I didn't want to complicate it. So each of the looks will be really simple for you to follow through. So that's the first thing. And the sign up promo is getting over in how many days? 3 more days. So if you want to utilize it, please do. So this is half of this month. Shweta already took advantage of that. So it is 32.50 for this month, and you have only 3 more days. We don't know what comes up for October as of now, so we come to know only on the 1st. So I know few of you already pinged me, wanted to know more details on that. So don't miss out on the details. If you want to, you can call me anytime. And the same way, the bundle promo for the lip balm, hydration mist and the body lotion. Since winter is nearing, if you are someone who has dry skin all over, who as I mentioned, if you are someone who has body acne, then body lotion works really well. Same way, the gold mask works really well for people who has acne, because it is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, and also it works to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and increases the collagen production. So I think we all would love something that is helps to what is it, like improve our skin texture, obviously. So gold mask is like a perfect way to start on that, and you don't have to use every single day. You can use every week or every 15 weeks, and this is and all a product that can, what is it, like very simple to add to your routine, but at the same time it will be really effective. So these are the 4 things I wanted to cover. I think I finished it. So the makeup group is starting from 30th to 4th, so you have to ping me if you want to get add on. And the 5 minutes videos are going to be uploaded from the whole week, Monday to Friday. And the bundle promotion is for 10% if you ordered as a bundle, and if you are picking individual products, then 5% off, and I'll be shipping only at the end. I'm thinking to add a special thing along with it too. Yes, Shweta, I will do that. I will try to add you to that makeup group for sure. And the bundle promo and the sign up promo are for the products are getting over by 30th of this month. So it always ends at California time. So if you want to utilize that, you can do that. So that's all for the announcements for today. Have a wonderful Sunday. Enjoy with family and relax. Have a wonderful day.